Hi, welcome back to channel BRILL Learnings. In this video, I will cover previous year maths questions related to CTET Paper 1, which was conducted in the month of December 2019. Let's move on to the first question. So, there are three types of pens are available. Each packet contains 10 pens, 12 pens and 24 pens respectively. If a shopkeeper wants to buy equal number of pens of each brand, what is the minimum number of packets of each brand he should buy? That is the question. For this kind of question, take LCM first. So LCM of 10, 12 and 24. So take first 12. 10, 12 ones are, 12 twos are, 2 fives are, 2 ones are. So multiply all these. 12 twos are 24, 24 fives are 120. So here LCM is 120. If you want to know the minimum number of packets of each brand, just divide this 120 value with the 10, 12, 24 respectively. You will get the answer. So 120 by, this is A type, 120 by, this is B type, and 125, 120 by 24, this is C type. So cancel it. So 12 packet. A type should be 12 packets 10 times. So B type should be 10 packets and C type 5 times. So C type should be 5 packets. This is our answer. Let's move on to the next question. So a side of square is 4 centimeter. It is cut into 4 equal squares. What is the area of each small square? That is very simple question. So first take the total area. First total area of the bigger square. What is the area? It is side 4 only, right? So side is 4. That means area is 16. Divide this by 4 because they have divided equal number of squares only. 4 equal number of squares. That is why you can divide directly with the 4. So you will get 4 centimeter square each. So the area of smaller square is 4 centimeter each. Centimeter square each. This is our answer. Let's move on to the next question. So which one of the following statement is not correct? Here they are asking about not correct statement. So let's check. First condition, all prime numbers are odd numbers. This is wrong. This is wrong means this is our answer. Why? 2 is a even prime number. It is a even prime number. That is why this statement is wrong. That is why this is our answer. Let's check the next statement. There are infinitely many prime numbers. Yes. This right statement. A prime number has only 2 factors, 1 and itself. This is also right. There are only 4 single digit prime numbers. Yes, what are those? 2, 3, 5 and 7. So this is also right. Wrong statement is this. So that is why this is our answer. So let's move on to the next question. A number that is divisible by all numbers from 1 to 10, both inclusive. Both inclusive means we have to include 1 and 10 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now check all these numbers from 1 to 10 are the factors of the given numbers or not. Given options or not. So let's check first option one by one. So 10. 3 is not the factor of 10. In other words, we can say that 10 is not the multiple of 3. So this is not our answer. Here same criteria. Here also 3. 3 is not the factor of 100 also. So this is not our answer. Now check this option. So 5. 5 is not the factor of this number. Why? Because 5 always divisible by the numbers which has the 5 or 0 at the end. So this is also not factor. This is our answer. Last one is our answer. Likewise, you can do this kind of questions very easily. I strongly suggest that this approach is best approach rather than the traditional approach. What is the traditional approach here? taking LCM of all these numbers, and straight away you can get the answer. Let's move on to the next question. Ayush has only 5 rupee and 10 rupee coins with her. If total number of coins she has is 25. Let us assume the number of 5 rupee coins as X and the number of 10 rupee coins as Y. It should be 25 as the statement given. So this is first equation. Now next, if I want to get the total value, that is 160 rupees, what I have to do? I have to multiply this 5 rupee with the number of 5 rupee coins, that is X, and then 10 rupee coins with the number of 10 rupee coins, equal to, this value should be equal to 160. This is our equation 2. We have two equations now. So what is the use of these two equations? If I substitute through option, if I substitute first option and the first equation, second option, third option and fourth option, all options will give the same answer, that is 20 LHS equal to RHS. That is why first equation is of no use. Substitute in second equation. So bring this value. First 5 into, take the 5 rupee corresponds to first value. So 18 plus 10 into second value is 7. That is equal to 160. So 18 5s are 90. 7 10s are 70. So here LHS equal to RHS. So this is our answer. Let's move on to the next question. For evaluating this kind of expressions, you need to remember V BUDMAS. V BUDMAS. What is this? This is our order of mathematical operations. V stands for vinculum or bar. B stands for bracket. O stands for half. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. So, is there vinculum? No. Brackets? No. Half? No. Division is here. First simplify this expression, because we have to give first priority to the division out of the given operators. So 21 by 7, 3. Here we have 3 into 17.5, and then here minus 3 into 12.5. Now we have both sides, here multiplication, here multiplication. So multiply them. 17 3s are 51, 51 1.5, so 52.5 minus 3 minus 12 3s are 36, 36 37.5. These two are minus values and this one is plus. So just simplify it. 40.5, 52.5 minus 40.5. Then what is the answer? 12. 12 is the answer. Let's move on to the next question. 1/6 of a tree in a garden are neem trees. 1/6 they have given means. For your understanding sake, I am drawing this figure. They have given 1/6. That is why I am dividing this total portion into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1/6 of the portion is neem trees, and half of the trees are Ashoka trees. Half of them means 3 portions. 3 portions Ashoka trees. Remaining are eucalyptus tree. So these two are the portions are eucalyptus. So if the number of neem trees is 5, this one portion stands 5. That means 2 portions 10. That is our answer. Let's move on to the next question. A train leaves Delhi on 29th August 2019 at 16:30 hours and reaches its destination on 31st August at 8:45 hours. The total travel time of the journey is. First calculate travel time on 29th August. Up to midnight only we have to calculate. Train started at 16:30 hour means up to 12, 7:30 hours traveled. Next on 30 full day. train traveled on 30 full day, that is 24 hours. On 31st, train traveled for 8 hours 45 minutes. Add up all these three values. So 1 hour 15 minutes here. So 20, 40. 40 hour 15 minutes. If you have any queries, please post it in the comment section. I'll definitely sort out your doubts. Thank you all. Thank you. We will meet in the next video.